If I could sit down with my 20-year-old self, here's what I'd tell them. These lessons are what I wish someone had told me when I was your age. In this video, I'll share critical insights on finance, relationships, investing, seizing opportunities, discipline, work, taking risks, and understanding your credit score. Each topic will guide you towards building a life you'll thank yourself for when you're 45. Firstly, finance. Managing your finances wisely in your 20s sets the foundation for decades of financial stability and security. Developing good financial habits early on helps you avoid unnecessary stress and gives you freedom as you grow older. Understanding how to navigate debt, budget effectively, and establish an emergency fund is essential for building a strong financial base. Debt is a double-edged sword. While it can be useful for major purchases like education or property, it can quickly spiral out of control if mismanaged. Avoiding unnecessary debt and paying off balances before interest accumulates prevents a future burden. Budgeting teaches you to allocate money for essentials, fun, and savings, ensuring you live within your means. An emergency fund is your safety net. Having 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved will help you weather unforeseen challenges like job loss or medical emergencies without resorting to high-interest loans. Think about Dave Ramsey, a well-known finance expert, who emphasizes the importance of living debt-free. His experience of going bankrupt taught him the power of financial discipline, inspiring millions through his baby steps method. So what's the key takeaway? Avoid debt by spending within your means, practice disciplined budgeting, and prioritize building an emergency fund. Lesson number 2, relationships. The people you choose to build relationships with have an enormous impact on your personal and professional life. Building healthy, positive relationships in your 20s can provide you with support, inspiration, and growth opportunities. It's crucial to be selective and intentional about who you spend your time with, as your environment will either nurture your potential or hold you back. Relationships can influence your mindset, habits, and decisions. Whether it's romantic partners, friends, or mentors, surrounding yourself with people who uplift and challenge you positively will encourage growth. Toxic or negative relationships, on the other hand, can drain energy, stunt personal development, and even lead to long-term emotional damage. Building meaningful connections takes time and requires trust, communication, and shared values. Even successful people like Taylor Swift has spoken about the importance of surrounding herself with supportive friends who inspire her, like Selena Gomez. Their friendship has been a source of strength and mutual growth over the years. Think about it. Is there ever a time that your friend has inspired you to be intentional about who you let into your life? Surround yourself with people who encourage you and celebrate your successes. Lesson number 3, investing. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow and compound. Investing in your 20s leverages the power of compound interest, which can turn small, consistent contributions into significant wealth over the years. It's essential to begin investing as soon as possible, even if you can only start small. Investing early helps you build wealth over time through compound interest, where you earn interest on both your original investment and the accumulated interest. The longer your investment horizon, the more potential your money has to grow. In your 20s, you can afford to take more risks since time is on your side for recovery from potential losses. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs if you're a beginner, and gradually learn more about diversifying your portfolio. Think about Mark Cuban, the billionaire entrepreneur, has shared how investing early laid the groundwork for his financial independence. Even starting with mutual funds helped him create a strong financial base that supported his future ventures. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Begin with what you have. Lesson number 4, jumping on opportunities quickly. In your 20s, you have the advantage of fewer responsibilities and greater flexibility to take on new challenges. Acting swiftly on opportunities can be the key to unlocking success and avoiding regret. The fear of failure or hesitation can lead to missed chances that may not come again. Youth provides a unique window where taking risks comes with less severe consequences. When you act quickly, you position yourself ahead of those who procrastinate or overthink. It's important to recognize when an opportunity aligns with your passions or goals and seize it without letting fear hold you back. Whether it's a job opportunity, a new skill, or an entrepreneurial venture, early action builds momentum and resilience. Elon Musk's journey illustrates the value of jumping on opportunities. After selling PayPal, he invested nearly all his money into Tesla and SpaceX, despite the risks. His willingness to seize opportunities led to groundbreaking innovations. If an opportunity aligns with your goals, don't overthink. Jump in and learn along the way. Lesson number 5, discipline. Discipline is the cornerstone of achieving any long-term goal. Developing self-discipline in your 20s allows you to build habits that lead to consistent progress, productivity, and personal growth. Without discipline, even the best intentions and goals remain unfulfilled. Discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's what separates those who succeed from those who give up too soon. Building discipline involves setting routines, prioritizing tasks, and following through on commitments. In your 20s, cultivating these habits can make all the difference in achieving personal and professional success. Think of discipline as a muscle that strengthens over time. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's career is a testament to the power of discipline. His daily routine, from rigorous training sessions to strategic career planning, shows that dedication breeds success. Visualize the process of laying bricks that slowly build into a solid wall, representing how small, disciplined actions create a strong foundation over time. Mastering self-discipline in your 20s will shape how effectively you achieve goals throughout your life. Lesson number 6, having the right outlook on work. Working hard is necessary, but working smart will propel you further. In your 20s, finding ways to maximize your efforts and learn efficient work strategies can make a significant difference in your career trajectory and life satisfaction. While putting in long hours can show dedication, strategic work involves understanding how to prioritize tasks, leverage technology, and focus on high-impact activities. Working smart allows you to be more productive without burning out. It's about quality over quantity, making sure your efforts align with your goals and deliver results. This approach can also free up time for skill building, rest, and other pursuits that contribute to overall well-being. Let's take, for example, Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. He has emphasized working smarter by prioritizing customer obsession and innovative solutions over traditional hard work. His strategic thinking laid the foundation for Amazon's global success. Understand where to place your efforts and learn to maximize the output from your hard work. Lesson number 7, taking risks. Taking calculated risks in your 20s can set you apart from the rest. This is the time in your life when you have the freedom to fail and learn from those experiences, setting you up for future success. Being risk-averse may feel safe, but it can limit your potential. Calculated risks are decisions where you evaluate potential downsides and decide if the potential rewards are worth it. In your 20s, you have the luxury of time to recover from mistakes. Taking risks can teach you invaluable lessons, build resilience, and prepare you for future challenges. The final lesson is having a good credit score. Having excellent credit can open doors you don't even know you'll need yet. Mark Cuban has often spoken about avoiding debt traps and being financially savvy. He built his wealth by making smart financial decisions, including managing credit effectively. Building and maintaining a strong credit score helps you save money on interest and qualify for better financial opportunities. Be like Cuban. Stay smart with your money. So there you have it. To get ahead in your 20s, this is what I know. Start saving early. Let your money grow. So hit that like and subscribe today. Your best life is just one click away. If you enjoyed this video and would love to see more, comment what lessons you would like me to share. Until then, put what you have learned to practice, and I will see you in the next one.